you are only practicing here in this class only. You want to say that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the thing is that,
Yes, sir.
if you are passionate, if you are having the desire, okay, if you are having the burning desire to improve your communication skill, and you want to speak like a native speaker, or maybe you want to speak better, okay, now you have to have the desire. No, I want to do at any cost, nothing can stop me, okay, nothing can stop me. So that kind of desire you should have. And once you have that desire, nothing can stop you, nothing can stop you, I'm telling you. The main thing is that you have to have the burning desire, the want. No, I want to improve myself. How can I improve? And definitely you will find a way. Okay, you will find the way. Like suppose, if I talk about the water, if I talk about the water, so, or if I talk about the river, so water and river, they always find their way. They don't no, they, you cannot stop them. You cannot stop a river. Even if you give a dam like sort of thing, or if you put a lot of stone or boulder or sand, again you'll see the water or the river is making its way, is finding its way. Okay, so this is the kind of desire you have to have. No, nothing can stop me, I will find my way. Okay. And at the same time, if you see the ant, ant, I think both of you know ant.
Yes, sir.
See, ant.
Yes, sir.
So when an ant walks, and if you put something in front of that ant, maybe a stick or maybe anything, then you'll see that ant doesn't stop there.
Yes.
It will find its way.
So,
It is not that, okay, no, there is a barrier or there is a stoppage or there is a no hurdle. I will stop and I will try crying. How can I get the way? How can I get the way? It is not that. An ant always find its way. Whatever barrier you put, barrier you put in front of the ant, that ant will find its way. Okay, maybe it will take sideways. It will take some other ways. So that kind of attitude we should have whenever you are finding some barrier in front of you, when you are trying to speak in English. So you have to find a way that uh, how can I remove this barrier, or how can I take another way, so that this barrier doesn't come in front of me, or how can I take a side way, or how can I take a bypass way. Okay, so that kind of thing you should have. And this thing will only happen when you are having a burning desire to learn English. Otherwise it will not happen. Otherwise nobody can force you, or nobody can motivate you, or nobody can inspire you to do anything until and unless you are motivated by yourself. Okay, external motivation is, you see, external motivation will not stay for a long time. If somebody giving you the motivation, suppose I am giving you the motivation, okay, and as long as I will be here, you will be motivated. Okay, but the moment this class will stop, again we'll go back to your earlier attitude, whatever you had before the class. So better you have your own uh, motivation. Okay, I want to do this and I am ready to do any kind of hard work. Okay, and the main thing is that why I'm telling to all of you, all my students, I say this, all my students, now the age of information, now the age of communication, now the age of network. Okay, so now you have to think differently now. If you are thinking the old thing, whatever you have been thinking for the last maybe 5 years or maybe 10 years, with that thinking you cannot have something different in your life. So if you want to have something different in your life, you have to think differently. With the same thinking you cannot have a different result. Okay, if you want to have a different output, you have to give a different input. With the same input you cannot expect a different output. Okay, so now the thing is that you have to change your input, that what input I'm giving. Am I giving a right input to improve my future, or am I giving the same input what I have been giving for the last 5 years or for the last 10 years? Okay, so now change your input, that what I am giving.